morning. It's another day at the lab, and it is currently 7:13. So I'm a little bit later today, or technically I'm like late to being early. But yeah, but I still have about like 2-ish hours where I have to go in, but usually I have 3. So I'm a little bit late, but I still have a lot of literature review to do, so I'm gonna try to like hurry up and walk to go get like a granola bar or something, and then I will speed walk back to have time to do literature review on BCA protein assays. So while we're going on our little walk, I thought I'd just talk a little bit about my day, or like my plan for today. So today I'm gonna go in and then I'm gonna check my cells, and then I'm not sure if I'll be splitting them. I guess depends if they're at confluency or not. They're confluent. I'm not sure if confluency is a word. I hope it is though, because that'd be cool. That'd be a nice word. It sounds very fun. But if they are confluent, I will split them. And then if they are not, I will not split them. And then I'm pretty sure I'm gonna perform a BCA protein assay today. So hence the literature review on that. And then other than that, I think just a little bit of literature review for a review paper that we're trying to write. And then I think that's it. It's a little bit windy honestly, but that is okay. Because, okay, my main concern is that like whenever it's windy, my hair gets like really greasy and it's a little bit awkward. So I'm just gonna hope that doesn't happen, and hopefully my hair just stays like nice and dry and not sweaty. But it's pretty cold outside, so like probably, or not cold, it's like a nice little chill breeze. So hopefully that does not happen. I really like going this way. I found myself like going this way more because there's more restaurants if you go the other way, but if you go this way it's like a really nice walk, and you get those leaves, pretty leaves, golden leaves, especially in the morning. And also you get to pass like this college and it's really pretty, so there's that as well, which is another little perk. But yeah, also this is kind of random, but I didn't realize there's like a Central Perk cafe nearby, which is pretty fun. That's cool. That's another perk. Central, yeah. I kind of have like an urge to impulsively buy a bouquet of flowers. I don't know what I'd do with them, but I would like to buy them. But like, I don't know. Yeah, okay, I probably can't though, because that would be a lot of hassle bringing them around. Also, they'd probably like unfortunately die by the end of, oops, sorry. They probably will by the end of the day, because I wouldn't be giving them any water. But yeah, anyways, we're at the granola bar section. Very delicious, very tasty. I think like personally, I really like the Go Macro bars, but also I haven't had one in a really long time, so I think I like them, but I'm actually not too sure. Okay, so I think I'm gonna try the oatmeal chocolate chip bar. It looks pretty good. Also, I'm kind of in the mood for oatmeal, so it should be a good snack. Okay, so I also got a fruit cup because it looked really good. I saw them like stocking it. I was like, oh, that looks tasty. So I got one as well. You know, gotta be healthy as well. Like a good balance of carbs and fruit. But guys, I saw this guy and he was buying a bouquet of flowers, presumably for a loved one, or maybe his significant other. And guys, that should be me. I should be buying flowers for someone, but it's okay. Another day, another day. But in another day, I'll know to go to Star Market to get flowers, because they're always fresh actually. My old favorite place used to be Shaw's to get flowers, but actually the ones at Star Market look nicer. Like they look fresher, like more like daily renewed. Because I think the one at Shaw's, like they're good, but they like wilt or like they're wilted and they're like replaced like once they wilt. A side tangent about flowers. Go to Shaw's, guys, if there's not a Star Market in your local area, or Trader Joe's. Actually, I went to a lot of places before, and I feel like there's like, it depends on the occasion. If you want something like, okay, not me like, anyways, off of the side tangent, let's go back to the lab. But actually, a little side memo. If you want like a more like natural look, or if you want like a more like natural type bouquet, I would recommend going to Trader Joe's. But if you want like a pastel bouquet, you can go to Shaw's. And if you want a fresh bouquet, you can go to Star Market. So I guess that tops. But yeah, anyways, with that actual side tangent out of the way, I was gonna cross the street, but there were cars. But yeah, now I'm just heading back to the lab, and then I will do some literature review for the BCA protein assay. And I'll probably watch a video too because I'm kind of a visual learner. I feel like that helps me a bit more than reading the articles about it. So I will definitely make sure to do that as well so I'm fully prepared.
Hey, it's me.
Okay, I think I got lost because I walked like on that path that I was on for like 15 minutes and I was like, oh, this like doesn't look familiar. But then I was like, oh wait, no, it's fine. Like I'll just like keep walking. But that was definitely like not the way. So I'm going to go try to do some navigational locating with probably the Maps app to try to get back to the lab. And then once I get there and am successfully placed, I'll be back. Okay, hello. I'm back, and I found myself back in the lab, which is very great. We love Maps app. Maps app, 5 out of 5 on the App Store. But 5 out of 5 stars. Perfect. Yeah, full score. But okay, I think I'm gonna like put up my hair because it got a little bit messy while I was walking. But I do want to put it up because we are doing experiments there, so gotta be lab safe and adhere to the protocol. So I thought I'd just put it in like twin braids because I feel like it's a little bit hot today, so I kind of like want my hair like extra up. Okay, my hair is now braided, but I think when I go downstairs, like to go to that tree area that's outside with like, there's like trees and like places to sit, and it's really pretty, so I thought I'd do some work down there. Okay, we are now here, so I'm gonna do some literature review, just like I said before. It's just gonna be about the BCA protein assay, and then I might actually do a little bit of work for the review paper right now actually too. But I think for now, since it is currently 8 o'clock, that gives me 1 hour and 30 minutes to do the review about the BCA assay. So I probably will honestly do that for the entire time to prepare for the experiments later today. Okay, so I just got a text from my mentor, so I gotta head into the lab, but I will see you guys at lunch. Okay, so anyways, it was really good. The lab was really good today. I mean, it's always good, but anyways, it was really fun. Today, okay, I'm really excited. Wait, okay, let me get my thoughts together because I feel like I'm like so excited. I'm just like, oh my god, oh my god. And I'm like, I don't even know what to say, or I do know what to say. I just, keep blabbing. But anyways, today I got to do some SDS page, which is really fun. And then also I got to do some Western blot too. And or wait, actually, well, that's together. So because you have to do the SDS page to do the Western blot. So yeah, but anyways, both were really fun. And yeah, it's really cool because now that I'm like more like I've been here for a little bit longer and have been like learning and things like that, I'm like being able to like actually do the things, which is just like so fun. Like I'll come back early, like just in case. But yeah, also just because it's fun, you know, quicker you can get back the better. But yeah, okay, wait, I'm gonna go try to find my way out because I think I went the wrong way. But once I find a nice spot to go get lunch, I will see you guys. Hello, I found a restaurant. It's like really quiet in here though. So, or it's like, so it's always trying to be quiet. And yeah, I got this salad. It was fun. It's actually not bad for like stuff in the city, but I also have bok choy that I made myself. I'm kind of a bad cook. It smells a little weird, which is like, I'm not sure how you can make boiled bok choy smell weird, but I think it's because I boiled it for too long. But I may be a slightly inattentive cook. Yeah. Anyways. It's actually not bad. I'm like sitting in front of the Cafe Nero. And it's just like a cookie. And I really want to get one. I think I only have $5 left. And I'm not sure like how much it is. But I really want one. I feel like I should either like move or I should like go check the prices or for a chance locate a cheaper cookie to buy. But I feel kind of connected to Cafe Nero because I'm actually currently on their Wi-Fi. It's not working though, so maybe I don't feel that connected. So if I go and eat a different cookie, I will actually not feel bad because their Wi-Fi is not working. So my bok choy got progressively worse. Like it was really good in the beginning. Maybe because my like standards were so low for it. But then I kept eating it. I was like, wait, this is kind of gross. It's like soggy and discolored, like simultaneously. Unfortunately, I cannot do the cooking. I cannot do the cleaning. I will buy you flowers though. If I could have bought them in the morning, if they weren't gonna, if I had a place to put them. But yeah. I got a pistachio muffin. I gave in. It looked too good. I think we have like 30 minutes left, but I'm gonna head back because he texted me to go try to make something myself. So I feel like I want to like be able to like read over the procedure and make sure that I'm doing it correctly. But yeah, I'm like scared, but like I'm excited because it'll be like the first time that I'm like kind of doing something like mostly by myself. But I think there will probably be other lab members there. Okay, and that is another day at the lab. Woo! It was really good. Okay, wait, we'll sit and talk. Okay, today was really good. I think today was probably honestly my favorite day so far, which I feel like I'm gonna only enjoy it more from now on because I'll be able to like do the wet lab more by myself, like as the time goes on, like as I'm like better at it and as I'm like capable of doing that. But I'm really excited to see that happen. I'm really excited to experience that because it's gonna be really fun. But I'm also really excited because I really like independent research, and there is this like class of enzymes that a little lower than me actually. Before I like get into that tangent, is that like to give context, I do science fair but I do it by myself. So my school has a program where it's like you can take this course called research methods and they'll teach you how to do a science fair project, or you can just like independently do a science fair project. And my course did like my schedule didn't align with the research methods class, so I just did the project by myself. But it was pretty hard, and also I didn't have that many resources to carry out my project. And so the project that I'm doing is involved with these class of enzymes that are involved in cancer regulation, and I personally believe that they are very understudied. I think that they definitely deserve a lot more recognition, especially in the cancer world, and I just want to be a part of being like part of that upcoming like bringing these enzymes to attention, because right now they're more in the world of like beauty, and like they're more involved in people looking at them for their role in lowering oxidative stress. So that's great because it makes your skin look good. But me personally, I think that it could also cure cancer. There's also other parts of this gene that I really think that are really special. And I feel like it's really cool because whenever I come to the lab and do like a Western blot or something, like we do that type of stuff every day. And when I was doing my science fair project, like that was the exact assay that I want to run. But I didn't have that much funding when I did my project or a lab space. I just did it in my chemistry class. So I did it in a yeast cell culture, and my method of cell counting was like not very official. It was like I like use a cell counting platform, which is good, but I'm not sure if I used it right. And also I went off like physical, like what it looked like physical appearance wise. And we know that in science, we love statistical significance that we can prove. So what I wanted to do during my project was I really want to run a Western blot to be able to like test the measures and the actual amount of each of like the proteins in my sample. But of course, like I wasn't able to do that. But it's just like so cool going into the lab and running those assays every single day, because it's like, wow. Like science fair, they ask you like, what is your ideal experiment? Or like, if you had all the funding, all the resources, etc., like, what's your ideal experiment? And like, when I go into the lab, like, that's my ideal experiment. Like, that's exactly what I would run. So yeah, that's cool too. That's just like, I don't know, the dream of like being able to run my own assay on like my own project, because that'd be really cool. But yeah, I look forward to running more Western blots and other assays for other people's projects, because I know that that probably makes them really excited as well. Because I know that if anyone ran an assay for me and it was for my project, I'd be really excited to see the results. So I'm happy to be a part of someone else's happiness. And with that closing remark, that finishes the 5th day at the lab. So I will see you guys soon.